There's a significant amount of water leaking into the lower unit from your unit. It's pretty bad.
My unit is flooding.
Let me explain. 4 years ago, I finally saved up enough money from my 10 years of being on YouTube to buy this condo. I took on the challenge of renovating it from scratch with my dad, and I shared the entire process with you guys, from floodings,
There's water coming from your unit.
fires,
I think there's a fire in the building.
breakdowns,
There's no floor!
and breakthroughs. This place saw me through so much personal growth and allowed me to push my creative limits. Eventually, though, I needed a new challenge. But before I moved out, I wanted to capture this special chapter in my life in my own special way.
She'd like to live somewhere outside her mind. She overthinks the hypotheticals. And why did she say the wrong name? Did she laugh too loud at the party last night? She's scared to make a call alone, rehearsing lines, feeling awkward on the phone. All she wants is to curl up in a ball. Why? Oh why? She can't really be real when she hides. Anxiety tells her the world stirs up worries and troubles. Why would she leave when she's safe in her bubble? Out at the bar, a boy who's just her type. Why is it so hard to look him straight in the eye? She's done with letting fear control her time and watching life pass her by. 'Cause that girl is mine, closing her eyes. I'll hold her, be kind, tell her those worries they end with a chuckle, holding her hand as we're leaving her bubble. We're leaving her bubble. Na 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 na, na 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 na. It's new, but already with you. Something's fucking wrong with me, 'cause when I feel your love, I run. Emotions that my therapist says that I need to learn to trust. When you say you like the parts of me that I still hate, swear to me it's fine, but I'm convinced it's not okay. The fact that you're so patient with me's killing me. I've got to learn how to love these foreign feelings, how to jump when I'm unsure, how to stay when shit gets real before I'm yours. strangers, fiction characters inside my mind. It's easier than dealing with these feelings that I try to fight. Scared I'll open up and in the end you're gonna leave. Scared I'm not enough cause you don't like what's really me. The fact that you're so patient with me's killing me. I've got to learn, no, how to love these foreign feelings. How to jump when I'm unsure. How to stay when she gets real before I'm yours. Before I'm yours, I'm yours, I'm yours. I'm yours, I'm yours, I'm yours. I'm yours, I'm yours, I'm yours. Yours. How to love these foreign feelings. How to jump when I'm unsure. How to stay when she gets real before I'm yours. Before I'm yours.
Guys, how depressing is that song? That was called How to Love, and my name is Gen Z. Welcome to my Condo Concert. As many of you guys may know, I have been renovating and decorating this condo from scratch, from flooding till now. It's all decorated and like so fun to live in, and I wanted to bring you guys into the space to hang out so that we could have like a little karaoke session, a little sleepover, you know, just good vibes, and I can serenade you to sleep. Grab some popcorn. Speaking of sleep, does anyone want to take a guess at when I slept last night? Maybe this next song will give you a clue. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't know how it's 5 a.m. again. One too many episodes of Friends. Stupid boys got me rereading texts. Though it makes me sick, I can't seem to quit the adrenaline. Wasting my youth in pressing the snooze when the sun's still of youth. And why do I do this? I'm being stupid, testing my limits now. Don't feel alive when I'm awake. Not sure if I'm okay. Been feeling like my body's about to break. Too melatonin deep, still can't put me to sleep. I'm laying here forever, count sheep.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Making bad decisions I'll regret. For temporary serotonin hits, gambling time and losing common sense. I've heard talks from Ted warning me of dead. Nothing's sinking in. Don't feel alive when I'm awake. Not sure if I'm okay.
Welcome back, shoppers. Today's special is a buy one get one free on mental breakdowns, overthinking, and scrolling on your phone. Hurry over to aisle 4 for these items and more. Dirty clothes on the ground, I pretend I don't see. Candy wrappers are found between the bed and the sheets. My succulents died a million times. Now where do I get my oxygen? Guess I gotta go outside like a normal person. But don't wanna give up the spot in my bed, lose all the crazy thoughts in my head. But I can't go living on in this mess. So I said, clean up and I'll fall for my life, for my cries on the floor. Clean up and I'll free through the years that I couldn't be free. Clean up and I'll do to the habits I couldn't improve. Clean up and I'll wonder when will the cycle be done. It's been a while since I've got some good vitamin D. I've searched up if it's normal for your skin to turn green. Wore that shirt I sold 5 days in a row. Know that I should care, but I really don't wanna get up, get dressed, but I won't. Cause don't wanna give up the spot in my bed, lose all the crazy thoughts in my head. But I can't go living on in this mess. So I said, clean up and I'll fall for my life, for my cries on the floor. Clean up and I'll free through the years that I couldn't be free. Clean up and I'll do to the habits I couldn't improve. Clean up and I'll wonder when will the cycle be done. Now on clearance, you'll find clarity, confidence, and self-affirmations, all right next to happiness. If you've come to check these items off your shopping list today, you've come to the right place. Clean up and I'll fall for my life, for my cries on the floor. Clean up and I'll free through the years that I couldn't be free. Clean up and I'll do to the habits I couldn't improve. Clean up and I'll wonder when will the cycle be done. Clean up, clean up, clean up. That was Clean Up and Out for everybody. Can you believe my condo is clean right now? Can you believe the state of pristine that it's in? Actually, don't believe it because there's like 10 different crew members scurrying around, like cleaning everything up outside of every shot. So, yeah, that's no thanks to me. Anyway, you guys know that I've been working on the Glow Up project for like the past couple of years. I've been trying to improve my life, glow up my lifestyle, and like inner me, you know? So it's a lot of like introspection and like a lot of depressive lyrics to boppy songs. But this year, I want to have fun. You know, I want to dance. I want to just not have to think too much because we're just like so confident and we're all baddies that we just like don't want to cry anymore. So there's some new Gen Z music and this next song is a new song. Are you ready for it? We're still young, you don't have to be the one, even though I liked in love, I know that you're just a crush, hit the music, get me on the floor, we're party rocking us since I walked through the door. Leaned in and I said, heard a little rumor that you want me. Laughed, he said, I think you're cute and kinda funny. At first I wasn't sure, now I kinda love it. The high and the stylist feeling, the way your bodies are meeting dance, like we are.
sweep me off my feet. You got my heart racing, but you put my mind at ease. Oh, how'd it happen? But my arms wrapped all the way around you, and I want your lips on mine just like a tattoo right now. This is all I need. Ooh, now you got me wishing, wanting closer, missing you like we met before, but I don't want forever, 'cause we're still young, young. You don't have to be the one, even though I like to love, love. I know that you're just a rush. We're still young, young, baby. What's the goddamn rush? We don't have to fall in love, love. I just wanna be your crush. Crush. Baby, what's the rush? We don't have to love, love. I just wanna crush.
Yay! Did we get it? Yeah!